We drove to the county line to light fireworks and stay up all night. Fogged up in the back of my old car that was falling apart. Parked under the aspen tree with a work of art, you're a masterpiece. But you never came back for me, come back for me. So call my name, I just need to hear your voice. I'm not the same, I don't feel quite like myself now. Half remains, cause half of my heart followed you home and left me twice the pain. You left me twice the pain. Maybe there's a way we can survive.